To add a new connector in Power Apps, open an existing app or create a new one. From the canvas, click on the data icon in the menu strip on the left, below the plus symbol and above the media icon. Expand the Connectors menu, click on the See All Connectors link, then scroll down to locate the Actigent PowerTools connector. Click on the PowerTools connector to open the Connection Properties panel. Enter the client ID of the app created in the Customer portal in the API key field, then click Connect. Click Got It to accept the notification regarding premium connectors. The connector can now be used in an ad. Click the ad icon to select controls and place them on the canvas. Select a control to edit the associated function. Begin typing the connector name. A list of matching connectors and associated actions will be displayed automatically. Select an action. Use the IntelliSense feature to view and set the action parameters. Continue adding, selecting, and configuring actions to complete your app design.